What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look how we can use the powerful template builder in Odoo's email marketing app to build an email template from scratch. With email marketing, you can simply drag and drop and customize entire blocks of content. The real power of these features come from the more advanced customization options, and this is what we'll be taking a look at today. If you'd like to learn more about the basics and see how to edit pre-made templates, be sure to check out our other video linked in the description. The possibilities are truly endless and it all comes together quite nicely, so let's take a look. To get started, we need to head to the email marketing application, and once we're in the app, all we have to do is click New to open a new mailing form. You'll be presented with a handful of templates in the Mail Body tab, which can be used to get started. But we're going to be digging into some more advanced concepts for this video, so let's start with the Start from Scratch template to build a new template from the ground up. We're going to be building a nice promotional email template, so let's start by giving our template a name that represents that. So in the subject field, we're just going to type promo. Later, when we want to use this template, it'll have the same name. Now let's start by adding our content. The best place to start building an email template is by adding some building blocks. These are large sections of content formatted for different purposes. These can be dragged and dropped and then customized however we'd like. So let's start first with this left logo block under the header section, and we'll just drag and drop it onto our first page. This gives us a place where we can put our logo along with any social media links to add to our header. And to change the logo, all we have to do is click the Your Logo placeholder image. And then in the image section here on the side edit bar, under Media, we'll just click the Replace button. Then from this point, you just have to upload your own images or logo, select it, and then it'll be added to the template. Now to resize the image, we can click and drag the breakpoint here on the right and just pull it towards the left, and the image will be reformatted to a smaller size. We also have a ton of options to modify the placement and appearance of the image in the image section of the sidebar, including cropping, aligning to one part of the content block, and adding borders, padding to the image with other options as well. We'll look at those more in just a bit, but in the meantime, let's change some of these social media links here in the header while we're at it. At Stealthy Wood, we don't currently have a TikTok account, so let's delete the TikTok social media icon by clicking on that specific icon. Then once that logo is highlighted, I'll press right on my arrow keyboard to move the cursor to the right of it. Now I'll just hit the backspace button twice to delete the logo. Next, I'll change the link to our Facebook by clicking on the Facebook icon. Then changing the URL on the right here in the Your URL field. Currently, it's facebook.com/Odoo. So let's change it to say Stealthy Wood. You can also click the icon and then hit the edit link button, bringing up a small mini pop-up window, and then just update the URL. It's whatever you prefer. Now to add new blocks, we can click anywhere above the mail body, and it'll automatically open up the blocks column once again. We want to add something at the start of our promotional email to grab people's attention at first glance, while also giving them an idea of what the promotion's about. For that, let's add the cover block. And I like the default image for our cover block, but let's add some flair to it by selecting the block. And then in the filter drop-down menu, let's select the early bird option. And then we'll also choose a gradient from the filter here at the bottom. That looks pretty good. Nice. This is looking great, but let's say we want to make some changes to the font. Well, Odooers, those options can be found in the Design tab. And this is where we can make changes to the entire template design. At Stealthy Wood, we like a cultivated and sophisticated look, so let's pick up a nice serif font to add to our title. And I can do that by clicking on the font field under heading 1. And let's just change this to the Georgia font. We can also set the color of our mailing background here. So let's open up the mailing background color option and then click it. And then let's use a nice bluish color. We can also click the content background color selector and pick a nice gray color here. Notice how the font color automatically adjusted to white to make sure our content is still visible amongst the dark background. Pretty neat, right? Finally, let's change the color of the header to the same color as the mailing background. To do that, I'll open the Design tab and then open the mailing background once again. And then this time we're going to click on the Custom tab. And on the Custom tab, we'll have the hex code here on the bottom left. There, I'll just copy it. And then next, I'll click on the headers to select the background. And then we'll open that color selector here in the sidebar. Open custom again, and then just paste the hex code into that section. Awesome. Next, I'll switch over to the blocks tab and add a columns block below the cover block. Then I'll click into the first title. And let's change this from feature 1 to mahogany table. And we can also edit the text below it to say, brand new fully modular mahogany tables in a variety of sizes. Now we'll revisit the blocks tab and add an image text block below that for our main text. We'll keep it simple for this video and simply change the header to say, up to 70% off. And we'll also change the content below and update this to say, featuring select mahogany pieces from our previous collection this week only. Great. To make things a bit cleaner, let's go back to the blocks tab and add a separator block above the image text block. Let's add a final body section by dropping in a text block at the bottom. Now, I could take the time to write some enticing copy here, but running a successful furniture company takes hard work. How about instead we let Odoo's integrated AI take care of that? To do that, I'm going to select all this content right here and then just delete it. Then we'll click the AI button here on the right. And this opens a dialog box that gives us a space to generate some text with AI. I'm going to prompt it, asking it to write a paragraph of copy for a 70% off sale on mahogany furniture from Stealthy Wood's previous collection. Then I'll hit enter. We'll see that the Odoo bot is thinking for a second, and boom, just like that, we have a nice paragraph about our sale. Amazing. From here, all I have to do is click insert, and just like that, it's all filled in. Now, to create some visual interest towards the bottom of the email, I'll add the items block. And coincidentally, we do happen to sell both furniture and clothes here at Stealthy Wood. So I'll keep the first two blocks as is, but I want to get rid of that third block. To do so, I'll just click on that third block and then click on the red trash can icon right above it just to remove it. Now to format the two items to fit our two sections, I'll click into that blank space and that'll select the entire block. Then in the sidebar, I just have to scroll up, and in the dropdown that says columns, I'll change this from 3 to 2. Now let's finish up by adding a footer center block to the bottom, and we can find that here in the blocks tab. We'll scroll down to footers, and we could just drag and drop the footer center block directly to the bottom. And just like last time, while we're here, let's go ahead and delete the TikTok icon since we don't have that. And as you can see, this block has our common social media links, an unsubscribe button. However, I'd like to add a border to help this stand out a bit. So I'll select the section with our social media links and then go to the border section here. And let's go ahead and change the pixels to 5. Next to it, I'll click the drop-down menu and be able to choose from a variety of different lines. Here we'll go ahead and select the double lines. And finally, I'll change the color of the border using the color selector to the right of it. And let's go ahead and put in a nice light blue. This is looking perfect, so let's save it for use so we can use it again later. For that, all we have to do is scroll up to the top and click the Add to Templates button at the top of the form. Now, when I open a new mailing, we can see the template here at the top next to a gold star. So we can open it again and customize it however we'd like. And that's it for today, Odooers. We just saw how we can use some of the more advanced features in Odoo's email marketing template builder to build our own email template completely from scratch and save it for later so we can use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.